Hey guys, this is our van
And we do van life.
with a wheelchair and 2 dogs.
Stick around, you're gonna wanna see how this works out.
We're going to show you how we do it. See you in a bit.
Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
So Derek is the handsome fella rocking the wheels. He is very fun-loving and keeps everyone laughing, including me. So when Derek is bored driving, this is what happens.
1 million bottles of beer on the wall, 1 million bottles of beer. You take one down, you pass it around. 998,999 beers on the wall.
And I love how he doesn't let anything hold him back.
Except stairs. Stairs will hold you back.
Stairs will hold you back, but other than stairs, you try not to let anything hold you back.
So this is my wife. Her name is Tanya. She is the sweetest and most passionate woman I've ever met in my life. And I am a better man for having her my better half. She does 90% of all of our video editing, photo, our planning, our logistics.
Hey, I'm Tanya.
I'm Derek.
Whoops, you got a shadow on your face.
It's the phone. It's the camera.
Anyway, we are Van Life Voyages. There you go. There's his cute face.
Can you hear it?
Okay.
I'm just pretty much the dumb schmuck in front of the camera.
We have 2 dogs, Gunner,
And Bella.
and Gunner is the big German Shepherd service dog that's Derek's.
And Bella's our Maltese, who is,
Little fluffy white dog who's really, really old.
we call her Old Bones.
But both of them are in a lot of videos, and both of them have very distinct personalities that are pretty funny.
Yes, very much so.
Together we are Van Life Voyages. We venture around in our 2015 Ram Promaster.
Yep, 2,500.
It is wheelchair friendly.
It is diesel
It has a kitchenette
and awesome front wheel drive
and a bed and bathroom area.
and a potty
Very important
for her.
for couples at least.
For her, it's very important. Me, meh.
But what we do is we take lots of adventures, do campground reviews, wineries, breweries, restaurants. We take you along with us.
We want to give reviews on how accessible, how disabled friendly, and the type of service you get when you have a disability.
So we wanted to show you what makes our van different from other vans.
As you've guessed, being in a wheelchair requires some special equipment.
So come on in and let's check this out.
Check it out. Going up.
So tell us about your lift.
That is an under-vehicle lift from Braun Ability. we chose that system because we didn't want the traditional lift. That would take up floor space here inside our van.
And the whole entire doorway.
Yeah.
So
We're limited. We have minimal space to begin with. The wheelchair has a large footprint, and you have to have sufficient space to turn around, travel a little bit, right? I got to cock it sideways to transfer onto the bed. There's issues, you have to address.
And we have a really cool seat that we both love right up there.
Yep. Because I am the driver.
Not all the time.
That's it. So yeah, this is a 6-way power seat for the captain's chair, and we got it. We need it because without it, it's
Derek wouldn't be able to
impossible
drive.
to get in. Yeah, impossible. So I got 3 switches. First switch, slide backwards. Second switch, or I'm actually going to go to the third switch to do a turnaround. Back up a little bit. And then the middle switch is up, down. Got it down as far as it'll go. Slide it back a little.
And that's how he transfers in the driver's seat.
And I would, transfer from the wheelchair into the driver's seat, drag my feet around, get stable, and we're off and running. So we hope you roll along with us. See what I did there?
This is a wheelchair and a van joke. Wheels, roll along.
Wheels. Wheels, we roll.
So please roll along with us. And remember, when life throws you a curve,
Just roll with it.
see you next time.
Let's make like a wheelchair and roll.
shotgun.
Just a boy and his dog.
Don't miss the full van tour with all the juicy details and a major announcement coming up. Hit that bell, subscribe, get all the notifications, baby. Yeah!